Nope, nope, she's not talking anymore. There's no more
natural disasters.
No more talking from this one.
Or
I am
killer hornet.
Look at this tree.
Oh, it's my favorite.
Wow, what a way to start day 22.
Day 22.
Wow.
Late at night.
Holy cow.
So pretty.
Alrighty, let's we're gonna have to talk this way.
Yeah.
Because there is no light on the other side.
Nope. We are at Disney's Contemporary Hotel and Resort, whatever it's called.
Contemporary Resort.
It's a contemporary resort. Right here next to Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom's right over there. You can't
Magic
really see
Kingdom's
it
right
though.
there. Yep.
And we are here to meet with one of my friends from college, which was really just my graduate degree like 6 years ago. But we are gonna meet her and her family, who they come all the time. And they are doing a
Fireworks cruise
tonight. And we're gonna join them.
What was that face?
I was waiting for you to say and logo. And do.
Wow. Aren't you so proud? Make mommy's face again.
I don't know what she did.
Wow.
I don't remember
It's
what
close.
she did.
So do that face again.
I don't know.
Don't know.
We're gonna go. And
yeah, we gotta go to the dock.
Yep. And
check
we're gonna
in.
watch some fireworks for
Let's look at this tree again,
Christmas.
because it's awesome.
Oh, these balls are amazing.
You heard it here first, folks. These balls are amazing.
They are.
They're huge too. I need a Brooke for scale.
Brooke for scale.
Brooke, stand right there. That is a huge, huge ball. All right. And Contemporary is the weird-looking hotel.
Contemporary is the one that the monorail goes through.
Yep, it's the one the monorail goes through. It's weird. It looks black and white on my screen. It's strange. But yeah, they actually just redid it to cotton candy.
Yes.
Oh, the colors. They just redid the rooms to be Incredibles themed.
Yep.
And then the California Grill is that huge room up on top there. Wonderful food. Although they just overhauled it and made it a 50th anniversary thing, and it's super expensive now.
Yeah, we ate there right before the girls left for the summer.
Yeah.
We did a sunset dinner, and
Yep.
were able to watch the sun come down.
And unfortunately, we weren't there late enough for the fireworks.
No.
So. But that, you want to talk about good fireworks viewing?
right
You
there.
can come out of that room and go all the way to the end of the building on the
Which
outside.
was a little scary.
And then, like we said, Magic Kingdom's right there. That's Space Mountain right there, and you can watch the fireworks from
wait,
up
right
there.
there.
It's awesome. So we to board this fireworks cruise, we have to go through to the dock on the backside. I guess we don't actually have to go through. We could go
We don't have to
around.
go through, but I bet you it's pretty inside.
Yeah, we'll check it out inside.
Alrighty. And Disney still masks for indoors, so whenever you're inside somewhere or you're riding a ride that goes through something, you have to wear a mask. This is also where you would come if you were going to go to Steakhouse 71, the new restaurant that just opened in the bottom.
Right there.
It's right through there.
It's actually really good.
It is really good.
We
It's
liked
where it's where the Wave used to be. If you ever went and came to the Wave, they redid it, and it is Steakhouse 71. And it's we were told when we came, they're trying to like recreate the feel of a 70s steakhouse.
There it is, right there.
So a lot of the things on the menu, I guess, were popular in the 70s when you would go to a steakhouse. So that was kind of cool.
Well, it was like 70s style in the way that you order a steak and then you order sauces to go with it, which is not really what you do now. Now you just kind of order something and it comes the way it is. But so you could order whatever steak you wanted. You could order whatever sauce you wanted with it. And they had a sauce sampler.
Oh, that was perfect.
Which was amazing. We're so happy that they recommended that to us. The waiter that we had recommended it to us because it was a great way to try all the sauces, because the ones that we thought that we would like by looking at them on the menu are not the ones that we liked. And my favorite was Erin's least favorite. So it was a really good way to just try everything. Yeah, she keeps pointing at this curb because I'm gonna kill myself. Yeah, so we're on the back side of the Contemporary now. You can see it's a huge, very strange. I really like it, but it's such a strange building. And then you can probably hear the pool over here. Alrighty, let's find our friends and figure out what's going on. Oh, that's Bay Lake Tower.
Here.
That's the DVC Tower,
Yep.
which has
Only
a couple
DVC?
rooms on the front edge there.
Yeah. We have friends that are going to be staying there in February, I think, so maybe we'll get to do a tour of it for you guys.
Ben, that is a vigorous water fountain.
Oh, wow. I mean, it's trying to aim.
You could almost limbo under that thing. And then that's the dock stretching out into darkness. The Fort Wilderness is over that way. And Wilderness Lodge is over that way.
That works too.
Oh, they're going to play tic-tac-toe.
You're trying to get 4 in a row.
Or they're just trying to fill a column as fast as possible.
Or that.
Alrighty, so we'll just hang out and wait for Nicole.
I would eat there again.
What was up?
I was just thinking I might need to find us a Steakhouse 71 reservation.
I don't know why it's not focusing on your face. That's better. I really, really, really liked the Caesar salad.
Yeah, it was like a wedge salad.
Yeah, the steak was good. It wasn't really expensive.
It wasn't as expensive as I was expecting.
As far as Disney goes.
It's definitely, yes, okay. That has to be,
I would say
little asterisk next to it.
moderate Disney price.
yes.
Yeah.
I don't know that I would take the children.
No, it's
not
a date
really
place.
children
Why is it
places.
not focusing on your face?
Because it's dark and there's light
No,
behind
there's
me.
tons of light. Let's go this way.
I'm sorry.
There it goes. What? Nope, I lost you again. What is going
I
on?
don't know.
I don't think we talked about this the other day. We mentioned a couple videos ago that last Friday was the last day we were able to go to Disney. And we got a couple questions in the comments about what we meant by that. That's because we got the Sorcerer Pass, which is one of the Florida resident passes.
Right.
And it has blackouts for Thanksgiving week and also for the 2 weeks around Christmas and New Year's.
Yep.
Which is totally fine with us.
We don't need to go.
Because
We
we
don't need to
saved
go anyways.
we saved a lot of money getting that instead of the one with no blackouts, no nothing.
Right.
Because those are the only blackouts, and it's way too busy to go to the parks during those weeks anyway.
It's not any fun.
Yeah, so that's why we're not going to the parks these 2 weeks, is because it's blacked out. But on the 1st, I think we're rope dropping Magic Kingdom.
We're rope
So-
dropping Magic Kingdom on the 1st of January.
Because how better to start the year,
Then at
right?
Disney.
Yeah, and I think we did that a couple years ago, 2019.
Yeah.
On the 1st, we rope dropped Magic Kingdom, and it was pretty quiet because
Yeah.
people are up late, they're doing parties, fireworks. The last thing they want to do is get up and rope drop Magic Kingdom
Right.
opening. So I think we're going to do that again to start off 2022, because I think 2022 is going to be a good year.
2022 is shaping up to be amazing, barring any new pandemics.
Oh, shh.
Or
Nope, she's not talking anymore. There's no more
natural
no more
disasters.
talking from this one.
Or
I am nope.
killer
nope.
hornets.
It's going to be a
murder
good year.
hornets.
There aren't going to be any murder hornets. No, seriously though, yeah, it's going to be. We've got a lot of fun stuff planned.
The plans are pretty epic.
Plans
if we are
great.
able
oh my
to
God,
do
stop
that.
it. Normally I'm negative Nancy. What is going on?
I mean, we are going
Tara,
to places that do
Tara,
have earthquakes.
We're going to places that have.
Earthquakes.
You know what? That is something that I want. I kind of want to see what an earthquake's like.
Not in an RV.
I don't want to be like up in a tall building when it
Not
happens.
in an RV. You're going to be like.
Why not?
I mean, it feels like that anyways.
It feels like that driving down the road, right? An RV has suspension. It's made to move.
California.
Yeah. So, as long as it doesn't, slice off into the ocean while we're there, and we can still get
We're
out
living
of
in
California.
California now.
Yeah, it's like, oh, we're stuck in California now. Yeah, as long as that doesn't happen, I'm fine. Yeah, it's supposed to be chilly this evening. This was maybe not the best evening, but you can't control the weather.
You can't control the weather.
Yeah.
It is what it is. It's been beautiful the last few days.
Yep. Are those our people?
I believe so.
You believe so? Okay.
Yes.
All right. We'll see that these are our people. I like the lighting here. I like this lighting.
It's glowy.
All right. So
Fireworks on a boat.
hopefully.
And I'm still here.
Wait.
And she's still here.
She's still here for now. Alrighty. So anyone under 12 has to wear a life vest. Safety first.
Or third.
Right? Or third.
Don't want to
Well,
sweat.
when water's involved, let's do safety first.
Okay.
Safety third when we're like, building things.
Oh, okay.
Ben, let me see your hot green. Looks good. Oh, it squishes your face. It's so cute.
Did you bring
Don't chew on it.
Can we?
Okay, what? What's? Oh gosh!
She was like. Why is he so stiff doing that though?
He just fell onto me. It's a life vest, not a helmet. Are you just a goober? Uh-oh. Oh, Brooke's running into me. Oh God.
Here's a booger.
Oh,
This is the sky.
do you think that these are those like the sumo suits? You seen those big inflatable sumo suits? Those are nuts.
I did just dry off the seats.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Thank you.
Weeble wobble. All right, where am I going?
Let's.
I'm going this way.
I want to
Oh,
eat
there's
some
a
of these
basket of things.
Yes, we can eat them.
All right, we're on a boat.
I was gonna say it, but I didn't.
You got your flippy floppies?
I got my flippy floppies. We're on a boat.
Daddy, I thought a ghost was in there because it moved.
What moved?
The trash
The bag in the trash can?
It
Yeah,
moved.
that's not very scary. So there's a goodie basket,
There is.
and there's drinks up there,
Yep.
and that looks really cool on camera, actually.
Whoa.
Oh yeah,
The
the.
lights, yeah, it's neat.
Wow.
The what? Wow. Alrighty, Bay Lake Tower's pretty, Contemporary's pretty. We got balloons.
Yeah. Because we're on a birthday one.
We're on a birthday cruise?
Birthday cruise.
Fancy.
This does not look like a cruise. It looks like a little tiny boat.
It's called a pontoon, baby. Do I just need to set up the GoPro here? Just time lapse them zooming around? Alrighty, where's the light? Ooh, here we go. Here's some lighting. Oh,
Christmas scary stories.
Christmas ghost stories. We need light on us. So that was fun.
That was fun.
It was raining the entire time
Yeah, but you're at Disney.
and a little cool and windy, but I think that's a really cool cruise.
It was beautiful.
Yeah, we got out. Sorry for bend noises, but we're running out of battery, so we have to wrap it up.
Yep.
It was a fun cruise, so thank you to Dan and Nicole for inviting us along on that.
That was great.
That was a lot of fun, and I recommend it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a neat thing to do. You can fit 10 people on the boat.
Right.
Right, so you can
Plus
do
a
like
driver.
2 families. Well, I think the driver's included.
Oh, okay, so 10
Yeah.
people with the driver. Okay.
10 guests. So you could do like 2 or 3 families and just kind of split the cost a little bit. It had snacks.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like,
Dessert snack.
yeah, it was like some cookies and some chips and the Rice Krispie treat Mickey
Brownies.
things, brownies.
Yeah.
And then there was water and sodas and stuff up in the cooler. So a lot of fun. The kids basically stayed up front. We stayed in the back, chatted with the driver. He drove us around, showed us some stuff around the lake. I filmed what I could, but it was dark.
It was dark.
You're out on the water. There's no lights out there. So I have no idea how the GoPro footage is going to turn out. Because the boat the whole time was going like this. Like he was trying to keep it in front of us, but it was windy. There was other boats going by.
Yeah.
He did it.
He did as best as he could.
He was fighting it.
Yeah.
But yeah, great little cruise. Great way to see holiday stuff too, because we could see this tree here from the water. We could see all the stuff at Magic Kingdom, the Polynesian,
Yep.
Grand Floridian.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it's awesome. So I think that's it for day 22,
Yes, day 22.
right? So we have one more normal day, and then Aaron's special episode.
Yes, that I spent until 2 o'clock in the morning last night compiling.
Which means a lot of work for me tomorrow.
Yes.
Hopefully nothing's planned, because that's going to take some time to put together.
Yeah.
So, that's it for day 22. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry about the kids being loud, but
It is
you know,
what it is.
we have kids. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas. Merry Christmas.
And thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Wow. Everyone was really excited about Ben's bye in
Aw.
today's episode. And then Tara's just kind of dropping it. Say bye.
Bye.
Be excited.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, try again. Go.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Christina from Roll for Adventures on Instagram and TikTok, and we are a full-time family of 6 living in a Class A Fleetwood Fortis motorhome. And one of our favorite Christmas traditions is to get Christmas pants for everyone and the 2 dogs. So this year we're doing Avengers Christmas pants, and we also love going to look at Christmas lights. Happy holidays!